Hi, welcome to the quick method. So let's talk about how to get CapCut Pro free without paying any money to CapCut. So let's get started. As we know, CapCut is right now the most in-demand video editor software for it has for reels and for videos, and it has great AI features in it which basically make your job very quick and easy. So I'll be sharing with you the 3 practical methods that can be used to basically get CapCut Pro. So I'll not be messing around like I have seen some videos where people on their thumbnails say that they will tell the free methods, and then inside the video they just tell you that how to register and pay and buy the CapCut Pro. So I'll not be lying, I'll be sharing with you the practical methods. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to this channel. And these methods will be practical methods. Some methods will work for some people, so some will not. So I'll be sharing 3 methods and a secret method which I personally use. So let's get started. Okay, so I hope you would have signed up your CapCut. If not, then it's very simple. You just have to attach any Gmail or email on your CapCut, sign up with that, and after you are signed in, you will see this kind of interface, and then just press open CapCut, and from here you will open the CapCut app which you'll have to download on your PC, and you will see that option above here. You will click that, install that on your PC, and then an app will open on your PC. If you want to use the browser version, then you can keep using it here, but I have installed this app, so this app will be installed from the same browser, that is CapCut.com, the same website you will sign up on in. Method number 1 is, which a lot of people will tell you, is to get a crack version of CapCut Pro, or install a mod app from some browser, some website. So there are plenty of websites on Google which give you these mods for this app, and you'll have to install an app outside of your Play Store or Apple Store. So they are basically cracked kind of apps on their websites, but I will not tell you any website, and I will not recommend this method. Why? Because it is not safe. Your phone's security is also breached by those apps, because you are downloading those apps from other stores, like apart from Apple Store or your Play Store. If you download an app, you can bring in a lot of virus with it. It can basically put your security on risk. It can basically put your personal things, pictures, videos on risk, so your data can be leaked. So I will never recommend that. And plus, CapCut keeps it updating on daily basis or on weekly basis, so it keeps giving you a lot of new features. So you will be missing that, because those apps are not the latest version of CapCut. Method number 2 is that you basically invite people, and because people join CapCut Pro because of your invitation, CapCut Pro gives you some free days of CapCut Pro usage. So they have a package that basically, if you invite someone to basically join CapCut Pro, and if one person on your invitation link joins and uses CapCut Pro, they will also get 7 days of free CapCut Pro, and you will also get 7 days of free CapCut Pro. So which means that you'll have to invite at least 10 people to get 70 days of CapCut Pro for free, which is again not possible for everyone. So what people do is that people have joined Facebook and Telegram groups, where they basically send invitation links to each other, and they join, and together they get a lot of free days to use CapCut Pro. But again, this method is not viable and easy for everyone. So now let's talk about the method number 3, which is the secret method that I have been using, and CapCut also even don't know that people can basically use this method to use their Pro for free. So what is that method? So let's talk about it. So it can be used on your laptop as well and on your phone as well. So I'll show you in both things. So let's say this is my project. So when you have finished your project, you can use as many Pro features as you want, okay? But when you will export your video, it will ask you to sign up for Pro because you have used Pro materials here, okay? So in that situation, what you will do is that you will basically record your screen without paying anything to them, okay? So let me show you how it's done. Okay, so you'll just come back to your edit, click here on this screen expansion, okay, and then just play this video. Okay, and for recording purpose, what you will do is you will use this OBS software. So this is the best one that I use. So you will just screen record your video along with your audio, and that's how you will basically get your recording done, okay? So then you can always if you see this line, let me show you. If you see this line here, you can crop this video from here, but other than that you will have a crystal clear video. In fact,
the pointy finger.
Yeah, so as you can see, it's on your whole screen right now. This video was for mobile, so that's why it is in portrait mode, but you can do that, and you can do that same thing on your phone as well. So what I recommend is that you should use your phone to record. So how you will do that, I can show you in a quick and easy way if it is possible. This is the video I have edited, and I have used these Pro features. I have removed the background, enhanced its voice. So now they are asking me to join Pro, otherwise I cannot download it, but I have a simpler way of doing this technique. So I'll just go here on my phone, and here is the screen record button. So I will just record this video, and I will flip it so that it opens in full view, and then I can just play it, and now it's recording on my phone as well, okay? So once it's recorded, I can just crop this line area where it is showing the seconds, the time. So I can just crop this little area. Other than that, the whole video will be good to go, and it will be with the sound and everything, and there will be no noise in it, so the quality will be great, like because your phone recorder is good, and it records good audio as well. So I hope you like this video. If you did, please subscribe to this channel and like this channel and share this video, and yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you.